Hurricane Faye. It's been raining 3 days now, wind blowing. I don't know if you can see it well, but the river's come up about 3 foot. I expect it to be about where the bird feeder is by the time we get back. Grandpa's going to have a fit all the shit sitting out in the yard. My poor tomato plant. It's our first hurricane. Well, we got 5 inches of rain last night, 4.5 so far today, and I bet you we'll probably have another 5 tomorrow. But nothing to do now except sit in the Florida room and drink cold beer with this person here.